Hello everyone! In this video, I will talk about my project in Unreal Engine 5. You must have RVT enabled. You need to enable virtual textures in your project settings and then follow Epic's documentation to set them up correctly on your map. When you open the project file, you will see the Ghibli grass folder. Open it and go to the map folder. Here is the level overview where you can see the files used in this project: grass, flowers, landscape, and clouds. The next level, field. An example where I show how grass and flowers can look in your scene. Let's consider foliage mode. Select the grass mesh, and in paint mode, you can increase or decrease the brush size according to your needs. Since I have an RVT texture, when painting, the grass blends with the landscape. You can erase the excess through Erase. In the same way, you can paint flowers. They also blend with the landscape. You can choose either one type of flower or all at once. You can erase and add new flowers at your discretion. You can also adjust the grass density for the flowers. Use the density parameter for this. Now let's look at landscape mode. I have two layers, grass and soil. You can choose either of them to add or erase grass or soil. After that, you can smooth the edges for a blending effect. You can also alter the landscape's terrains. Let's move on to the parameters of the grass material instance. The blend is responsible for mixing the grass with the landscape. Blend height, the setting for transition smoothness. If the blend parameters are set to 0, the grass will have its own color. Hue shift changes the hue of the grass. Shadow is a parameter for shadows where you can adjust its intensity as needed. The next parameter relates to wind, intensity, speed, and weight wind. Let's move on to the wave parameters. Here you can change the color, exp, intensity, speed, and UV. Material instance flowers. Blend and blend height, just like with grass. It is only important here to adjust blending so that RVT affects only the color of the stem. The wind parameters are the same as those for the grass. Material instance landscape. You can adjust the base color saturation, hue shift, UV grass, UV mask, UV road, and also the landscape shades. Material instance of clouds. You can adjust the speed of cloud movement. The color of the clouds is controlled via curves. You can also adjust the parameters straight, vertical offset, vertical strange. Material instance sky. You can adjust brightness, saturation, background clouds, vertical stretch, vertical offset, strength, and cloud tint. You can also disable waves on the grass in the material settings. Connect lerp to the input of the texture. And save. The waves will be disabled. And to connect, you just need to return the node back. If you have any questions, contact me on Discord.